guys! Hello, Shanda here. Today we are going to do a review for Fab Fit Fun. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I got my Fab Fit Fun box today and I'm really excited to open it. I have not looked inside yet. I do want to note that I did order this over 2 months ago. Now I know that Fab Fit Fun only comes 4 times a year for every season of the year, but I do know that whenever you order it, they're supposed to send you your box right then and there, whatever season that is. So I was really disappointed that it took them 2 months to send it. I even had to complain and get a hold of somebody but before they actually sent it. But it's finally here and I'm excited, so I want to look inside. I always order stuff off of the Facebook and the Instagram ads, and it's always very disappointing. It never works how it's supposed to. The magnetic eyelashes, those don't work. Those wigs, those don't look natural. But that Lumi deodorant, that stuff works really good. Okay, so the first thing we got in our box is a little magazine. Ooh, what do we got? I don't know how much, 10 free meals with purchase. That's kind of cool. And we got some coupons. $15 off your first Fab Fit Fun box. Oh, okay, so if anybody wants a Fab Fit Fun box, let me know, and whoever comments first, I'll give them this $15 off. Let's get into the stuff. Alright, first, ooh, in the box, it's really cute. It's got gift wrap and some gift stuff. Okay, original pink makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. Ooh. I know, I love makeup and I love to play with makeup, but my daughter loves to try makeup and she always messes up and wants to do it again. But it's Bye Bye Makeup Wipes Forever. It's machine washable. Soak in water. The warmer, the wetter, the better. And the short fiber side, erase the makeup with gentle circular motions, and the other side exfoliates. So it's like a little pad here. Very cool. We can take our makeup off if we mess up, which I happen to do a lot. Ooh, lots of fun. Maybe more. Do I have anything in the box? Okay. Alright, Humankind skincare with... Ooh. What is this here? Is it lotion? Is it body wash? Okay, it's lotion. It took me a moment. I don't even know. Let's smell. Oh. I do that all the time. Stuff that thing on my head. It smells kind of good. Let's see. Really cool. Vibrating facial wand. Ooh, I want one of these. Come on now. Alright. And it comes with the battery. Okay. I got it open. That was duh. A duh moment for me. Ooh. Started vibrating. Okay. So how do we turn it on? just take it off. Oh, okay. So it's definitely a very strong vibrator. Very strong vibrator. Tickles my neck. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, let's continue. Ooh, what we got here, girl? Stone Street Soap House. Wholesome Body Cream. Is this lotion too? Massage into clean, dry skin. So this is lotion too. Ooh, this smells like Bath and Body Works. I was gonna smell. Duh. You smell it. Smells like Bath and Body Works. Like the whole store. When you walk into the store, that's what it smells like. Okay. Then we have Intense Hair Care Leave-In Mask. Intense care for all hair types. Ooh. I need that, man. My hair sucks. Like, literally, my hair is the worst ever. It's so thin, and, like, it never, ever, ever grows. It's, like, always damaged, and it never grows. My hair has been this length, like, since I was 15 years old. And I stopped dyeing my hair for almost 5 years, and it still didn't grow. So I was like, screw that. I'm not gonna not dye it if it's not gonna grow. You wanna see what's in the box? But I just got that hair gel stuff. It's a little too early to see if it's working or not, but I hate the way it makes my hair feel. Detox pads. Massive. This is dude, it's all wet. Why is it all wet? Detox pads. So do we wash our faces with it, or gently wipe your face with a pad in the morning and in the evening to improve skin's complexion? Do not rinse off. Avoid the upper and lower eyelids. A tingling sensation may occur. This is normal. It's kind of scary. The pads are just white. I kind of expected them to be like black for some reason. What kind of feeling? Oops. Let's see if it's. Anyway. Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Ultraviolet. Man, when I took this little quiz they give you, they must really think I have crappy skin because they send me all kinds of skin stuff. That's all I got so far. Alright, and looks like the only other thing is lip balm. Rainbow lip balm. This is lip balm. I swear. Winky Lux. Ooh, looks like a little rainbow. See where these are from here? And it's. Oh, okay, so it's kind of like clear, like a little tiny orange tint, maybe. But it looks hilarious. times a year. What do you think? Is it worth it? Or aha? Okay, so let's take a look real quick. Now, I'm pretty sure it let me pick a couple of things. It's been 2 months, so I don't remember. It let me pick a couple of things, and now that I look at this, I remember I picked a couple of things that they said that they would include, and they didn't. They did not include what I picked. I wonder if, like, it's just been so long and they lost my order or something. I don't know. But anyway, let's see. These detox pads are... here. Aha, there they are. Okay, these retail at $45, which is insane. That's insane. And this lotion retails at $25, so we're up to $70 there. This hair mask retails at $39, so that's $109. Yeah. $9. And this full clay mask is $40. Retails at $40. So that's $159. I mean, $149. $149. And this little massager face thingy is $40. So that's $189. This lip balm retails at $18. Please tell me why. That is ridiculous. So that's $207. Okay. I'm not really good at math. Last but not least, we have this regular humankind lotion. Oh wait, I have this thing too. There you are. Okay. $20. So where were we? 207, I think. So 237. And this thing is $30 really. $267, I think. So technically, this stuff retails at almost $300. Oh, we got the gift card too. So this retails at almost $300. All this stuff. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Have you guys ever tried Fab Fit Fun? Do you guys get it? I've never heard of it before until I saw the videos for it, and that chick, Tiffany, is hilarious, so I had to try it because she was hilarious. But alright, that concludes our Fab Fit Fun review. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys would get this, or if you have got it, or what you guys think of it. Just let me know in the comments. And this is just an extra video. I do my regular videos every Wednesday and my vocal covers every Saturday. So I hope to see you Wednesday, and I'll